What is a katana really? An ordinary person will answer this question that it is an ancient Japanese sword and will be 3 times wrong. The first one. Katana is not an ancient weapon. It appeared in the 15th century and call it antiquity language does not turn. For example, at this time, firearms were already widely used in Europe. Siege of Orleans, the Battle of Castillon, the assault on Constantinople. And the role of cold gradually falls, and European samples of this period we consider late, not as not ancient. Second, the katana is not a native Japanese weapon. Japan almost at all times lagged behind in development from its neighbor China, and most of the inventions and technologies Japanese adopted from there. Also, the katana is a Japanese replica of the more ancient Chinese sword, Miao Dao. Third, katana is not a sword. The shape of the blade, katana, is most comparable to a checker. And according to the current classification of cold weapons, katana is not a sword. Sword weapon with a straight double-edged blade, but a saber, cold weapon with a single curved blade to the edge. So it would be correct to say that the katana is a relatively new saber, the idea of which the Japanese adopted from the Chinese masters. And if you don't think so, you can challenge this opinion in the comments. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell so you don't miss new exciting videos. See you in the next video, where we will continue to reveal the secrets of the gun world. See you soon.